Right now we are driving through, I guess the back road to get to Ussel Beach, so that we can get back on Highway 1 and continue traveling north. I believe we're planning to stop first in Eureka to get some gas, as well as to, what else do we need?
Wash the car.
Wash.
Disgusting.
Wash the car, yes, it's very gross right now. Something that's really interesting, you might see this, a lot of the trees and bushes around here are just covered in this like reddish, orangish, brownish like clay dirt, just that from the cars picking it up. So it's kind of weird, kind of gross, but kind of beautiful at the same time. But it's pretty interesting. Anyways, but that same stuff is what our car is covered in, so. We are about 85 miles from Eureka, and we've made it back onto some paved roads, so no more crazy two-wheel on four-wheel drive roads. And we're going to be making a slight detour on our way up to Eureka at Avenue of the Giants. We took a road trip about 3 years ago up to the Pacific Northwest, and this will be the point where we actually connect to some of the parts that we've seen before. So exciting! So we just had a delicious lunch at Gill's on the Bay, or by the Bay, which was a seafood place in Eureka.
Just before Eureka. Technically we're in just like a little like fishing town called King Salmon. But Eureka's just up the road. But
it's beautiful, and it really is right on the bay. You can see here. So now that our bellies are filled, we are ready to start doing some chores. So we were just checking our propane tank gauge, which we're not 100% sure if it's accurate, to see if we need to get some propane. We need to get some gas, and we'd like to top off our water tanks. It'd be awesome to be able to get a shower tonight, since it's been, I think, 3 days for me and 2 days for Eric from having showers. So it sounds mighty nice. Just washing my hands in warm water at lunch today felt so nice. So Eric's trying to find some stuff for us. We will check back in. We're about to try to refill some water at a rest stop. Look how beautiful this rest stop is. Like, all these trees and Eric.
Samantha, I need your help.
It's so pretty. Okay, Eric needs my help.
Alright, the water tank is full. It was a little tricky because the spigot does not have threads on it. I don't know if you can tell. So I just had to hold the hose with a bunch of pressure up to the spigot to get it to flow through the hose and then into the tank. Samantha made a huge mess. I told her to tell me when it was getting close, and she didn't tell me. So all she did was pull the hose out as it was spewing water all over the place, and yeah, it filled the back of the car up with water. So that's okay, we cleaned it up with a towel, but next time she's gonna have to be a little more careful. Right near Gold Beach, right on the edge of Gold Beach. Samantha's falling because we're on the sand dune. But the sun is setting, if you can't tell, because of our red faces. We still don't really know where we're staying tonight, so we have to figure that out soon. But we're on the lookout, and in the meantime, like, I'm okay with this. Check out this behind me. It's like crazy back there. Anyway, we'll keep you updated. We've been driving for a bit. We've checked out a few spots, and you know, some are okay, some are clearly posted that you can't park there that we thought would be okay. So we're still in the process of figuring it out, and hopefully we find something soon.
Alright, so we are at a public airport in, shoot, I forget where we're at, but in Oregon, just not too far from the beach that we were just at watching the sunset. Eric is investigating, just looking around, just seeing if there's any postings. Since it's a public airport, we feel like it should be fine to camp here, but we do have like a stealth mode set up, which we will do if we end up staying here. We'll see. He's nodding his head, so I think it's a good sign. We're all good?
Yeah, we're good.
We're good.
Plus we got bathrooms.
Oop. Alright guys, we're gonna call it a night because part of being in stealth mode is not talking to your camera. See you later.